In a stunning display of precision and tactical prowess, recent footage has emerged showing Ukrainian forces delivering a decisive blow to Russian drone infrastructure located at the contested Donetsk Airport. This operation, captured in dramatic detail, highlights the evolving nature of the conflict and Ukraine's growing capabilities in modern warfare. Let's break down what we're seeing and why it's so significant. The footage, reportedly filmed by reconnaissance drones, shows a series of highly accurate strikes against what are identified as Russian drone control and launch sites. We can clearly see structures and equipment, believed to be crucial for operating unmanned aerial vehicles, being targeted with pinpoint accuracy. The first explosion sends a plume of smoke and debris into the air, followed by secondary blasts, suggesting that ammunition or fuel stored nearby was also hit. This isn't just a random attack. It's a calculated and systematic dismantling of a key Russian asset on the front lines. Donetsk Airport has been a focal point of the conflict for years, a symbol of the protracted struggle in the region. Its strategic importance cannot be overstated. Controlling the airport means controlling a significant logistical hub and a key piece of high ground. For Russia, establishing drone operations here would have provided a major advantage, allowing them to conduct reconnaissance, direct artillery fire, and carry out their own drone attacks with greater efficiency and range over Ukrainian positions. By neutralizing this facility, Ukrainian forces have not only protected their own troops, but have also severely hampered Russia's eyes in the sky. What makes this operation particularly remarkable is the level of intelligence and precision involved. To carry out such a successful strike, Ukrainian forces would have needed to conduct extensive surveillance, likely using a combination of satellite imagery, electronic intelligence, and their own covert drone flights. They had to identify the exact location of the Russian drone infrastructure, understand its layout, and choose the right moment and the right weaponry to strike for maximum effect while minimizing collateral damage to the surrounding, already war-torn area. The weapons used appeared to be a mix of long-range artillery and potentially loitering munitions or strike drones. The accuracy we're witnessing is a testament to the advanced guidance systems and real-time targeting information available to Ukrainian commanders. This is a far cry from the early days of the full-scale invasion. It demonstrates a sophisticated, integrated approach to warfare where intelligence, technology, and battlefield execution are seamlessly combined. This is a clear indication that the support and training provided by international partners, combined with Ukraine's own ingenuity and battlefield experience, are paying significant dividends. The psychological impact of this strike is also substantial. For Russian forces, it's a stark reminder that they are not safe, even in areas they might have considered secure rear positions. Losing high-value assets like a drone operations center is not only a material loss, but also a significant blow to morale. It creates a sense of vulnerability and forces them to re-evaluate their security protocols and disperse their assets, making their operations less efficient. Conversely, for Ukrainian soldiers and civilians, this news is a powerful morale booster. It's tangible proof that their military is capable, effective, and is actively pushing back against the occupying forces. This event also underscores the critical role that drones are playing on both sides of this conflict. We are witnessing a new era of warfare where unmanned systems are ubiquitous. They are used for everything from reconnaissance and artillery spotting to direct kamikaze attacks. The ability to control the drone space over the battlefield is now just as important as controlling the air with traditional fighter jets. This constant cat-and-mouse game of deploying your own drones while finding and destroying the enemy is a defining feature of the war in Ukraine. Looking at the broader strategic picture, this strike at Donetsk Airport fits into Ukraine's wider strategy of attrition. They are systematically targeting high-value Russian assets, command posts, ammunition depots, air defense systems, and now drone hubs. The goal is to degrade Russia's ability to wage war, to make their occupation unsustainable, and to set the conditions for future offensive operations. Each successful strike like this one weakens the Russian military machine and brings Ukraine one step closer to liberating its territories. The footage also serves as a powerful piece of information warfare. By releasing this video, Ukraine is sending a clear message to multiple audiences. To Russia, it says, "We can see you, and we can reach you, wherever you are." To its own people, it says, "We are fighting effectively, and we are winning." And to the international community, it says, "Your support is making a real difference on the battlefield, and with continued help, victory is possible." As we continue to analyze the fallout from this attack, it's important to remember the human element. The soldiers who planned and executed this mission did so at great personal risk. Their skill and bravery are what make these strategic gains possible. This isn't a video game. It's a brutal reality where every action has profound consequences. This strike on the Russian drone infrastructure at Donetsk Airport is more than just another explosion in a long and brutal war. It is a microcosm of the conflict itself, a high-tech, high-stakes battle of wits, will, and technology. It's a testament to Ukrainian resilience and adaptability and a clear signal that they are not just defending, but are actively taking the fight to the enemy in smart, effective, and increasingly sophisticated ways. The fight for the skies over Donetsk is far from over, but for now, Ukraine has dealt a powerful and significant blow. Thank you for watching. If you found this analysis insightful, please like the video, share it with others, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth coverage of the ongoing situation. Your support helps us continue to bring you this important content. Stay safe and stay informed.